Hey there, my name is Amy Batchelor with Lodestar SEO. I spoke to Carmen on the phone, who so kindly said I could shoot this video over to you. I'm a local business owner just like yourself and know that COVID has really hurt some businesses, so I just wanted to give back and show you what you can do in order to compete online with your competitors and drive more traffic to your business. I wanted to jump on here real quick and go ahead and go through your site and show you kind of what we think is going to be best for you. So I'm just going to jump in and start going through what we see and where we think you can get the most value. I'm pretty much going to explain to you three things that you can do today to really bring value to your company and start outranking your competitors online, okay? The very first thing I want to go over is your website and what we call content. When someone searches for air duct cleaning spring, let's say, Google crawls websites on the internet, searching and ranking the sites. It's looking for keywords, it's looking for what should this site be found for. So when I go through here, I see you have some nice photos on your site and a beautiful layout. I see some content here, but not a lot of content. And one thing I can tell you about Google is Google loves content. So Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on your front page. And we're looking at right now with your site is we're probably sitting right at about 750 words on this page. So adding another 750 words of content with the keywords that you're trying to target is going to help you get found for those keywords. Another thing I'll point out right here is let's just look at the pictures you have on here. See how we have save image as, and right up here you see how it's just a bunch of numbers? So you're going to want to save those images on here as keywords, okay? So we'll talk a little bit more about keywords here in a second, but not only does Google just look at your site, but when Google comes into your site, they can't tell what they should be ranking you for if you don't have any keyword specific things on here. So what does this mean? Well, let's look at your competitor. When I looked up air duct cleaning spring, these guys came up, and when we start scrolling through their website, we see content here, pictures, and they have almost 2,300 words on here. So what does all this mean? Well, this right here is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It allows me to see every keyword you're ranking for, how much traffic you get into your site. So we can see here that you're getting found for no keywords and zero traffic is coming. So 0 people are clicking on your site. So I'm not sure if this is a brand new site because sometimes that will definitely make that happen. Okay. So if we jump over here and look at your competitor, we can see that they're getting found for 306 keywords, right? They're getting 72 people a month to their website. And when we go in and we look at some keywords, let's see here. We'll go air duct cleaning spring text. There's 80 clicks a month on Google for that keyword, and these people are sitting on the first page of Google for that one. Dryer vent cleaning Houston. They have 350 clicks a month on Google for that keyword, and these people are also sitting on the first page of Google for that one as well. So once we do the first thing of getting the right content on your site and getting the right keywords on your site, the next thing to go is go and find what we call backlinks. Okay, so what are backlinks? Backlinks are pretty much, let's say, another air duct cleaning site from Houston, Spring, or even Florida. It just needs to be your kind of field, air duct cleaning. Linking back to your site, saying that you're the popular one here. So the way that Google works, it's like a popularity contest back in high school, right? The more sites we get linking into your site, the more popular it tells Google you are, and the more they want to rank you for these keywords. So we need to go out, look at your competitors, and we see that they have 403 referring domains linking back to their site. So we have to beat it. And not all backlinks are created equal, right? So like getting a link from Starbucks, say, linking to you is not going to be as powerful as a general contractor or something like that linking back to you. To tell Google that you're relevant, you're in the right niche, and you're popular. That's what we want to go after, okay? So we have 403 referring domains. We don't want to go out and get the same amount as them when it comes to links. We want to beat them by 20 or 30 links to really start beating out the competition, to outrank them, to take that traffic. And then last but not least, I want to talk to you about the third thing that we need to go get. And that's what we call citations. Now, I'm sure you've heard of the map pack before. So this is the map pack right here. And right below that is called your organic. So I looked through the first 10 pages and I did not find 5 stars air duct cleaning. I did not find your company on there. So to get to organic, we have to get those keywords up. We've got to get all the links coming into your site. And then to get into this map pack right here, we have to go after what we call citations. And a citation is your name, address, and phone number throughout the web on as many directories as possible. And a directory is like Yelp, Yext, CityStar, all those directories that are out there. We want to go get your business listed on them. It tells Google that you're legit. So we go over here to another resource I use called whitespark.ca. I did a report and I found the top listing on MapPacks, and it looks like he has 99 citations. So right now, here's you. You have 6 citations at the moment, okay? So when you come back over here to the map pack and you click on more businesses, this is when I Googled air duct cleaning spring. So I went back 30, 40 positions, and 5 stars Air Pros were not found. So once again, we went over content. We got to get the content on your site. You've got a beautiful looking site, but we got to get that keyword relevant content on there. Then once we have that, we got to go over and we have to get these backlinks, right? We need to get the backlinks, start driving traffic to where you're getting over 70 people a month to your site. And once we have that, we want to turn around and we want to go after these citations right here. Okay, so those are the 3 things that I think if implemented today, it's really going to get you found on Google and drive more customers to your business. Now, I've only shown you one competitor and one keyword search. There are dozens of buyer intent keywords for the air duct industry that we could capture the traffic of thousands of clicks per month that you aren't getting. Let me just click over here. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me today. Like I said earlier, my name is Amy, and if you like what you've seen here today and you want to chat, you can reach me at lodestarseo.com for my contact info. Thank you so much and have a great day.